Hey y'all, if you want to know how to take your wig from this to this, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to wash your curly hair. First things first, we're going to rinse our curly hair with warm water. After the hair is completely wet, we're going to take our shampoo, and I have my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shea Moisture shampoo, and we're going to apply the shampoo all over the hair. One thing that's really important is when you're working the shampoo throughout the hair, be sure to only use downward motions. Curly hair tends to tangle really easily, and using downward motions on the hair ensures the least amount of tangling. After working the shampoo through the hair thoroughly, it's time to rinse out the shampoo. After the shampoo is rinsed completely, I use my Aussie Moist Conditioner to condition the hair. During this process, I also like to start from the bottom and work my way up with the conditioner. While the conditioner is still on the hair, I like to take my brush and detangle the hair, starting from the bottom up. After detangling, I then take any random plastic bag and I make sure that there are no holes or tears in the bag. Now I'm going to spread the bag open in the sink. Next, I fill the bag with hot water. After the bag is full, I take my conditioner and put a few squirts in there too, no more than 2 or 3. And then I stir that as well. Now I place the wig inside the bag. Now you're going to stir that up. And my water wasn't as hot as I wanted to be, so you're going to see that I add a little bit more hot water. And I add a few more squirts of conditioner because I'm extra. Now you're going to tie the bag tightly. Be sure that no water is leaking out from the bag. Let the hair sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the time is up, it's time to open up the bag. Pour the water from the bag into the sink and let it drain. Now rinse out the conditioner with cool water. Now, if you don't like to style your curly hair, you can skip this next step, but I like to style my curly hair while it's still wet. My style of choice is the argan oil curling souffle, I believe. I'm sorry, curling whole custard. And I take that and I apply it all over my curly hair. Once I'm done, I'll let the hair air dry for as long as it needs, and that's usually a good 3 or 4 hours. Once the hair is done drying, your wig has gone from this to this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment a purple heart down below. And don't forget to subscribe.